Okay, so we have the water jacket plate for the front of the 1920 Argon. It's in bad shape, it's corroded, it's been patched here, about to go through here. This is all chewed up, corroded. So we had one 3D printed, and they made this from the 3D printing. And then we sent that to the foundry, and the foundry cast two more for us. So this is the front water jacket. This one like this is currently on the car. We just had to drill the holes in the right locations.
Now, is that aluminum or is it?
It's aluminum.
Okay, it's aluminum.
Yeah.
And the piston.
This was aluminum originally.
Oh, okay.
But this is what happens when people leave the car set with no antifreeze or anything in them. They get corroded.
Okay. And you were telling me about the two-cycle piston there.
Yeah, this piston out of a Cleveland motorcycle, and it's been repaired. It's cast steel. Instead of casting a new one, we had the piston scanned with a laser and the information put into the computer, and the computer was used to feed the information into a CNC machine. A block of aluminum was put in the CNC machine, and it cut a brand new piston for us. Otherwise, we would have had one cast and then had to go to a machine shop and machine it. And we cut out one step of the casting. So it has an aluminum piston in it now instead of a steel one.
And that's how we keep, y'all guys keep old cars running.
Yeah, here's a water pump off of a car that has been corroded. So we use this to cast a new one. And we cast it out of brass or bronze instead of aluminum so that it would last longer.
Right. Well, that is most fascinating. Absolutely most fascinating. You know, I've always wondered how you came up with the parts to keep these things going.
Yeah, occasionally you have to go to a machine shop. There's a ring and pinion out of the Will Sinclair. It's got two teeth broken off.
Oh, yes.
So this had to go to a machine shop and machine it. Well, there's not a lot of machine shops that'll do this because it's a high-ploid cut gear.
Right. Quiet gear.
And it matches the ring gear. So they cut a new ring gear along with the pinion gear, and it's within 5 thousandths on the tolerance of it.
Now, that was one quality machine shop.
Yeah.
Definitely. Most fascinating. Well, I thank you very much for explaining to me how this happens, and I thank you for letting me put it on here, and I appreciate it.